This is a video submissions for UL-1. Here's my start line. There's a natural border all the way along and across with prickle bushes. Then the car is taking its border here. Our rat is there. And now I'm gonna go get the dog. Her name's Rain. She is a 11-month-old Dalmatian. Yeah, it's cute and adorable. It's cute and adorable. Mom had to tie it to the car. What can I say? Oh. Sorry, my thing's not. There we go. Technology failed. I'm just using a gimbal because it's easier than just with my phone right now. All right, Rain. Let's go play. Let's go play. Yeah. Let's go play. All right. Let's go find Rat. Let's go find. Let's go find. Good girl. Where's the rat? Where's the rat? Rain. Yes! Good girl, Ray Ray. Let's go. Gotta get out before we do anything naughty. Good girl.